T217 Computer System. Which of the following is an appropriate explanation concerning a deadlock? A. It is a state in which, when shared resources are exclusively used, two processes are endlessly waiting for each other to release the lock of a shared resource. B. It is a state in which, if the authentication of a user fails more than the limited number of times, the user is prohibited from accessing the computer. C. It is a state in which processes in a ready state under a multi-programming environment have used up the CPU time allocated by the OS. D. It is a state in which the processes of a computer are prohibited from getting intentional or accidental access to information that usually must not be accessed. In an operating system, a deadlock is a situation which occurs when a process enters a waiting state because a resource requested is being held by another waiting process, which in turn is waiting for another resource held by another waiting process. If a process is unable to change its state indefinitely because the resources requested by it are being used by another waiting process, then the system is said to be in a deadlock. So A is the correct answer. The other answers are described on the next slide. B. This situation or state is called account lockout. It is a preventive measure taken to stop unauthorized access and cyber attacks like brute force attack on user accounts. C. When a process has consumed its share of CPU time allocated by the OS, the process is transferred to ready state and is added to the CPU process queue according to the rules of the scheduling algorithm being used. D. A sandbox is a security mechanism for separating running processes. A sandbox is implemented by executing software in a restricted operating system environment, thus controlling resources like memory, file system space, etc., that a process may use. Thus, using sandbox, a process can be blocked from getting intentional or accidental access to sensitive information. For example, Java applet is sent automatically as part of the web page and can easily do harm, either accidentally or as the result of malicious intent, if it is allowed unlimited access to memory and operating system services. The sandbox restrictions provide strict limitations on what system resources the applet can request or access.